Alright guys, what is a specifier? A specifier in CSS is used to select the HTML element that you want to style. And the two best and important specifier is ID and class. Identifier and class. By identifier, you can adding a style for unique element, and by class, you can adding a style for multiple elements. Let's work with it. At the first, I want to use ID, and you can put the name for your ID whatever you want. I want to write first, and I want to choose another ID, second, and at the another folder or at the CSS file, I want to give a style for that. At the first, because you use ID, at the first you have to use hash, and after that you have to write the name of your ID that you put it in, and after that you have to set your CSS or set your style. At the first paragraph I wanna give a style gray, and at the second paragraph I wanna give background color into blue. Now let's see it. Yes, if you want to put the same style for twice of them, you have to write class instead of ID. Let's change this ID into class, and you have to write the same name for twice of them, class. And now let's delete this, and instead of hash we have to put dot. Let's save this and see it. Look, with class you can add a style for multiple elements, and with ID you can put or you can add a style for unique elements. Thank you guys for your attention, and we will see you in the next video.